Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mahalakshmi Academy. Before I begin my tutorial, I request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mahalakshmi Academy. Friends, in this lecture, we are going to see how we could add rebar to the circular column in Revit structure. Click on New, click on Structural Template, click on OK. First, I will like to explain the difference between the architectural column and structural column. In architectural column, we could provide color to it, but we cannot reinforce a bar in it. We can get different aesthetic view in architectural column. In case of the structural column, we could reinforce a bar in it, but we could not but the color of the column or any structural element remains same as that of the concrete. Okay. Click on structure, click on columns, load family, libraries, India, structural column, concrete, round column, open. Now the column has been updated from 2015 to 2018. So let's place it somewhere here. We could see warning. Okay, here we could see three options: default 3D view, camera, walkthrough. Walkthrough is used for the purpose of where we could see on television, where we could see various ads of commercial or residential complex, vehicles moving in front of the complex, people walking over there, standing in balcony. These are the videos we call it as walkthrough. We could make such video in Revit. I will make one separate video on walkthrough. Second one is the camera. Camera we generally use for the interior work or getting a pic from a certain angle. We will also make one video on camera. Now we need to go in default 3D view. Okay, click on column. Here we could see base level is level 1 and change the top level to level 2, base offset to 0. Okay, go in for floor plans level 1, change the scale to 1:25. Okay, now we need to reinforce a bar, and before that change the size of the column to 600 mm. So for reinforcing, click on structure, click on rebar. In my case, the library is of 2015. So whenever I need any component, I need to update that component from 2015 to 2018. In your case, there might be seen that you have the 2018 library, so you just need to choose. You need not load the family. Click on rebar, click on OK. Yes, libraries, India, structural rebar shapes. M00 is for vertical. MT1 is stirrups with hooks, M2 is stirrups without hooks, and M3 is for circular tie. Open. Now the bars have been updated from 2015 to 2018. In some cases you might not see the rebar shapes. In that case you could see 3 dot over here. Click on it. These are those rebars. Click on at MT3, which is the circular tie. For placement, keep it near cover reference and parallel to work plane. So click on this. We could see warning over here. Go in 3D, default 3D view. Change the visual style to wireframe. Now we could see that circular tie over here. Click on it. Layout in modify structure layout changes to maximum spacing and spacing to 200 mm. Maximum spacing of 200 mm indicates that the spacing between two circular ties of 200 mm. We less than 200 mm. In any case, it is less than 200 mm. The software itself adjusts according to the shape of the column. So we will click on those circular tie, change the bar dimension to 10 mm. In view visibility, here in properties, view visibility, click on edit. View on scrub, view as solid. Click on OK. Okay, we could not see here, so change the detail level from coarse to fine. We could see that the bars have been converted into solid. Go in floor plan level 1. Click on rebar. Click on vertical bar. placement near cover reference. For vertical bar it will be perpendicular, and we can imagine this vertical bar will be perpendicular to this view, and lateral ties will be parallel to this. So let place it over here closer somehow. Okay, let's change the bar diameter to 16 mm. Okay, now the bar diameter has been converted to 60 mm. Now we need this bar along the circumference of the circle. So the command which we use in AutoCAD, array. Okay, this is array. Let it be a radial array. Untick, most important thing, untick group and associate. I will specify the reason later. Center of rotation, change it to default. Okay, number, let's change it to 8. Move to last, angle 315. Okay, these are the 8 bars along the circumference. Now two things to explain. First, why the angle 315, and second thing is why untick group and associate. Okay, the reason why I choose angle 315 is here are 8 bars and total angle is 360 degree. If we divide 360 by 8, it will be 45 degree. So 45 degree, 90 degree, 135 degree, 180 degree, 225 degree, 270 degree, and 315 degree. So these are 315 degree. And next is why I untick group and associate. The reason behind it, if I might have chosen group and associate, all these bars would have been group, and the remaining 7 bars could not be converted into solid except this one which was already there. So I have kept different bar, and I will select one by one and change it to solid. Select 2 bar, click on view visibility, view unscrub, view as solid. Okay. Similarly, we will select 2 bars, view visibility, edit, view unscrub, view as solid. Again, view visibility, view unscrub, view as solid. Okay. We will select this 2 bar, view visibility, view unscrub, view as solid. Okay, now all these bars have been converted into solid. We could see it in 3D view, default 3D view. Yes, these all are the vertical bar and circular ties which have been converted into solid. Now only one thing is remaining, to convert these bars into rebar into colored ones. So before that we will go in elevation. Now we could see the difference between two elevation is 4000 mm. Suppose we want the column of 3 meter only. So we will change it to level 2 to 3000 mm, which means that the column is of the 3 meter only. And if we go in 3D view, we could see all the bars have got adjusted on its own. Okay, now let's change the rebar color to different. Click on view, click on visibility graphic. There is shortcut key for this VG. Once again I will tell, shortcut key for visibility graphics is VG, and it is present in view. So we will go in visibility graphics, structural rebar, override, wet to color blue. I do not have good choice of color, so I will type the value which is already there, 140 to 4097. Okay, this color only I wanted. Pattern solid. Okay, click on apply, click on OK. Okay, now we need to color, we need different colors for different types of bars. Suppose we want different color for stirrups. Click on stirrups, go in view, visibility graphics. Okay, sorry, for we need different color for a circular tie. We will select that tie, right click, override graphics in view, by elements, projection lines, weight to color. Let's keep it red. Let's put this value. Okay, We could change any color with the help of this. We have done, we could do it any color which we wanted. It is done in paint photography. You might be familiar with this. We could either make it lighter or make it darker, or we could even choose color of any one from this. I have chosen the value which I have got. Pattern is the most important. Pattern, change it to solid. Click on apply. Click on OK. Okay, this is the desired view. Go in visual style. We could see in hidden line, shaded, consistent color, realistic. Ray trace is for rendering work. We will get it only column, but not rebar. So go in 3D view. We could get screenshot of it by using Windows plus print screen. Okay. Okay, we could get a screenshot. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I request you to please share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel Mahalakshmi Academy. Thank you everyone.